Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And right now, as you can clearly see, that there is not much activity, movement in the market. More or less, market is silent. Yesterday, as expected, we got a buy opportunity around 1958-59 level, and overall the level did pretty well. Okay, so right now this is the chart, and you can clearly see that overall the levels that we discussed yesterday are still very much the same. And if you look at the news, then you can see that gold falls amid a stronger greenback. Gold prices are slightly lower in early Asian trade. Prices of the metal likely retreated as the US dollar strengthened. And this is the chart of DXY. So DXY, overall the sentiment is very much towards the downside. There is no doubt. But right now you can see that market is showing a sideways kind of a market. Market is trading inside a range. The range is 102.75 on the upside and 102.35 on the downside. This is the range for DXY, but DXY seems to be bullish right now, and the buyers are trying their best to take the market up, because you can clearly see that when market failed to cross the resistance, instead of coming down to the support, market form a higher low, and right now you can see market is standing at the resistance. So there is a possibility that during the day DXY may break the resistance and may go higher. If that happens, then 103 will be the next stop for DXY. And if you look at the US government bonds, then you can see that overall the sentiment on bonds is bullish right now. Not, I won't say completely bullish, but yes, bond market is showing upside. So yes, there is a possibility that bond market will show upside, and if that happens, then obviously we will see some correction on gold. Before I proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who have sponsored today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, but also you can use these tools as additional confirmation in your analysis and take your trading to the next level. They also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And my dear friends, probably you all have seen me talking about Chart Prime for the last couple of months. And my dear friends, trust me, their service is really awesome. My dear friends, as we all know it very well, that no tool, no trader, no company is 100% accurate, but with proper risk management and additional help from a tool like Chart Prime, you can definitely expect to earn some good money and change your trading completely. And to know about the functioning of these tools, you can simply go to their website chartprime.com, and under tutorial section you will find many videos. In case you are still confused about the functioning of the indicators, you can simply go to the Discord channel. You'll see that they conduct 2 weekly classes. In one class they teach about the functioning of the indicators, and in second class they talk about the strategies that you can use with the help of these indicators. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold in front of us, and as you can see that there are many signals generated by their tool Market Oracle. Possible reversal down means there's a possibility that the market will be going down, so you should go for a sell. Possible reversal up means the tool is saying that you should be looking for buy position. Possible reversal down means you should be looking for sell position. It may look like a magic, but my dear friends, again I'm repeating, no tool is 100% accurate, so proper risk management is extremely important. And Prime Oscillator is another powerful tool where you will see divergences. Those who know how divergences work, this will be very useful. I'm a fan of divergence. Okay, so this oscillator is a very powerful tool. Okay, and In addition to that, there are some other tools also, indicators like pattern detector, smart money concept. Okay, you can check them out later on. And the best part is the pricing. Okay, we can see that the pricing is very competitive in comparison to the other players. Okay, you can see that they only charge $57 per month, which is quite less in comparison to the other service providers in this category. Okay, at first you can simply try the tool for 1 month and I'm sure you'll love it. Use the link in the description to get 30% discount at the checkout. The discount is available on monthly and quarterly plans only. If you're looking for discount on annual plan, please let me know. I'll get it for you from the chart prime. You can also scan the QR code on the screen for faster registration. Please check them out. So as I said that overall levels on gold is same. Yes, I am saying the truth because you can see that gold is still trading inside the range here, inside the channel here. So if this black line is gone, because yes, this black line is no longer valid the yesterday support, so the next support will be the trend line at the bottom. The level will be around 1951 to 1952. If market comes to this level here, 1951-52 level, you can expect a bounce, just like yesterday, a bounce of 30-40 pips. 40 is a decent number. Okay, let's go with 40 then. Okay, and if this is the volatility of the market, okay, then obviously you can expect the trend line at the bottom to act as the dynamic support. And in case during the European session and US session market shows volatility, market shows a big red candle, means that the market is under pressure. In that case, this trend line may not work and your next support will be around 1948. Okay, this will be your second support. As I just showed you that bond market is recovering. If bond market tries to recover with big green candles, then these two levels may not work. And the reason is that these levels are not very strong. Okay, these levels are mostly for day trading purpose, for quick entry and exit, where you can just enter and expect 30-40 pips and exit quickly. Okay, so look at the chart of bond. If bond market shows good amount of recovery, then yes, gold will fall. Okay, so your one eye should be on bond market and the other eye should be on the chart of gold, because two buying opportunities on the chart of gold are around 1951, 52 and 1948, but these levels are for trading purpose only and not very strong. The strong support on the chart of support, or the best buying opportunity on the chart of gold, is around 1934 level. I have also explained the reason yesterday why 1935 is a strong support, because of the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement around this area, as well as we have previous support around this area. If gold starts falling, then definitely we can expect some sort of buying around this area, and easily we can go for a buy position. And the resistance level that I mentioned yesterday is still very much same, still very much intact. That is 1981 to 1982. 1981-82 is still the resistance for the market right now. Apart from 1981, 1982, it is difficult to determine during the day where the market will reverse, because market is right now squeezing. Already I have discussed yesterday that you can see that market is squeezing, market is heading towards a narrow channel. Whenever this type of thing happens, usually market goes for a big breakout. So yes, there is a big possibility that market will be showing us a big breakout or breakdown within next 1 or 2 days. But as of now, market is trading inside the range, so you need to trade accordingly. Okay, so if the volatility of the market remains like this, if you do not see crazy volatility in the market, then you can expect the market to reverse on 1981-82 level. If market does that, you can go for a sell position. And the buying, we have two buy opportunities or buying opportunities on the chart of gold, but be careful, volatility will play a big role because those levels are not very strong. If you see market taking support, if you see market showing price rejection from below, then only go for a buy. In case market shows good sell because of good recovery on bond chart, then yes, gold will be under pressure, and you need to trust 1934 only. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.